Hi everyone, welcome to another Score Edge tutorial. Uh, we are going to be looking at linear inequalities today. Uh, this question says solve the following inequalities. A, 2 into 2c plus 2 is less than or equal to 5. Now let's go ahead and see how we solve this problem. We normally solve linear inequalities just as we solve linear equations. It's just that we are dealing with inequalities, and inequalities have principles and properties. Yeah. So we are just gonna start by expanding this bracket. So we will take this and multiply that, and take what is outside the bracket and multiply all what is inside the bracket. So we have 2 times 2c plus 2 times 2 is less than or equal to 5. So 2 times 2c, so this is going to be 4c plus 4 is less than or equal to 5. So at this stage, we are going to subtract 4 from both sides of the equation to make it balance. So when we do that, you see that this one will become 0. And we have 4c plus 0 is less than or equal to 5 minus 4 will give us 1. So we have 4c will be less than or equal to 1. So we divide both sides by 4 because the opposite of multiplication is division. So by 4. So this implies that c is going to be less than or equal to 1 over 4. So if we are going to, if we want to represent this on a number line, it's just going to be, so if we have 0 over there, and we have kind of like 1 over here, and then maybe 1 over 4 over here. So you see now that this our inequality is close. It's close, right? Our inequality is close. So we are dealing with one, our boundary point is included in the data set. So therefore means that this inequality is close. So it's gonna be close because 1 over 4 is included in the data set, and it is all values from all value less than or equal to 1 over 4. So this section, this section is not included. All this section is not included. So this is what satisfies the inequality. All values less than or equal to 1 over 4. So if we look at the B part of the question, we have a similar question. So we are just gonna expand this bracket by using what is outside the bracket to multiply all what is inside the bracket. So we are gonna have 3 times 3. So we have a minus in there. 3 times x, which is less than 6. So 3 times 3 is going to give us 9, minus 3 times x is 3x less than 6. So in this case, we are going to subtract 9 from both sides. So I subtract 9 here and 9 here. So that we are going to have minus 3x, because 9 minus 9 is 0. So we are going to have minus 3x is less than 6 minus 9 is negative 3. So we are going to divide both sides of this inequality by negative 3. But now remember, when dividing an inequality by a negative sign, what happens is this inequality sign will change to greater than. All right. The inequality sign always change when you are dividing the inequality by a negative number. So what that we have, x is greater than 1. So if we want to represent this on a number line, so we have 0 here, and we have 1 over here. So you see now that 1 is not included in this data set because all values of this data set are greater than 1. All the values that satisfy this inequality are greater than 1. so that we will have that one is not included. So we leave a zero there, an empty zero there. Um, so is greater than, so all values above 1. So some people even leave, so even people even like to leave dotted line at that boundary point, at that boundary point. So that is a section that will satisfy the inequality. If you have watched the video so far, I think I'll be hoping that maybe the video helped you. So you subscribe to support our channel. Thank you so much. If you have any question, you leave it in the comment section, or you email us at score8@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you.